Hey! Welcome back to feralart, or welcome to feralart, whichever. How you doing? Anyway, we won't stay too long on that. Today, I am making coasters. Now, you don't see me make coasters very often because I don't make coasters very often, but I'm gonna bloom on them, and hopefully they turn out pretty. So let's see, what have I got for colors? Let's see here, I have this Blick fluid fluorescent blue plus a squirt or two of golden iridescent gold fine fluid. It is such a pretty color. It's just this really pearly looking greatness. And I have TLP unicorn, which I love so much. It is just the prettiest. And it looks kind of close in color to the other one that I just showed you, the Blick one, but they're a lot different once you get them on whatever you're putting them on. This is TLP pinwheel. And I have mixed these a little thinner via Lisa Marvin, who's been doing the Watercolor Blooms again. I think they're really pretty and I like them, so I'm making them. I'm trying to make them. This is TLP Ore. She pretty. And I think I'm gonna use this golden Prussian blue CA. That is all, not 2, not 47, just 1. Just because I want to be weird. And this is my pillow. It is PPG Multi-Pro 473110. And I have just squirted a couple of squirts of Blick Fluid Ultramarine Violet in it, just because I didn't want it to be stark white. It has a little tint to it. You can barely see it, but I'm sure if I put it up against something really white, you would be able to tell. So I have these little round unglazed coasters. I have painted on unglazed ornaments before and they're fine. So I'm gonna give it a shot, see what happens. So I've got my Jessica Winterstrom little baby spinner out, all covered in Glad Press and Seal because I hate cleaning up after these. So let's get down here and see what unfolds. All right, so here's our pillow. I am gonna put down first this groovy fluorescent blue and gold mixture, and then pinwheel, unicorn, then ore. And I am going to put a little bit more of this blue and gold mixture on top. Our Prussian. I'm going to use this little mini blower. I just don't like blowing them out by my mouth. section here. And we'll let that settle for a sec. Good. I don't know whether I mentioned it, but I did tape the back of these. I think we'll go in a little different order this time. Be fun. Unicorn. And gold. Nifty old blue gold combo. Good. When I say good, it means that it's just barely covering the tip of this. Like it's not, you know, an 1/8 of an inch up. It's just the very tip. Oh, pop. Lift. Perfect. Unicorn. Gold. Pinwheel. Fluorescent blue gold mix. Prussian. I lost her that time. I don't mean the coaster is good, I mean the depth is good. Okay, here are the wet results of those coasters that I just did. I'm getting there, y'all. I'm getting there, and I think these will be pretty. It's just, you know, blooms are such a learning curve, and I stayed away from for so long that I'm having a time catching up. So as I went, my lacing did get better. This one was the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So yeah, they're cool though. I think they'll look pretty with resin on them. So yeah, how you like that? Pretty neat. Would anybody like to see my sparkles? Look at there. Look at there. Maybe this will be the saving grace, right? Well, they're not the best blooms in the world, but man, they're pretty. They're sparkly. They are that. So yeah, pretty neat. I'm enjoying myself, and I guess that's the most important part, right? That's what I keep telling myself. So anyway, see you when they dry. Here are the dry results of my little round coasters. They are all the same colors, just layered differently. I think they turned out pretty cute. I mean, granted, you know, I'm not the most prolific bloomer on the planet, but they are really pretty. They're very glowy. Try to show you each one of them here so you can see what's going on. I really like this one. I think this one might be my favorite. So yeah, nice lacing, nice colors. I just need to resin them and they will be ready to go. So before you go, please make sure that your subscribe button is pushed and the bell is rung so you'll know when I'm making new content. Leave me a thumbs up if you like these, or if you like the video, or if you like me, or if you like anything. I'll get back to you because I like to talk to you. So, oh yeah, and share with your friends. Always a good thing. And I will see you next time.